Today, I'm thrilled to introduce our project Eventify, a full stack event booking web application. In this demo, I will guide you through the user experiences, how we integrated Firebase authentication and Firestore for secure data handling, and highlight our backend built with Node.js and the front end crafted using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start on the deployed website. As a new user, I'll quickly sign up using my email and password. Once logged in, I'm directed to the event space. These events are dynamically filtered from Firebase Firestore, ensuring real-time updates. Let's explore the event detail page. Here I will book 2 tickets for an upcoming event. Notice the success message. Behind the scenes, our backend reduces the available seats count for this event in Firestore, reflecting real-time changes. And here in the booking collections, my new booking is recorded with details like user ID, event ID, number tickets, and booking date. This seamless interaction is powered by our backend logic in Node.js. Here we use Firebase authentication for user signups and logins, Firestore for real-time data management, Node.js for backend API handling, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for lightweight and responsive frontend. We, we believe Eventify showcases the potential of full-stack applications to simplify event booking while ensuring scalability and efficiency.
Let's look at the front end. It builds the simple HTML and CS and JavaScript and deploy on Vercel. Show that the folder structure, index HTML and book HTML, login HTML. This uh, this is the related code on the HTML code. So and next file is the firebase.init.js. So Firebase integration, initialization. So this connects our front end or Firebase. We use Firebase like SDK for user login and ID retrieval and auth.js file. So login, sign out, and logout setup. So this is a handle all authentication and client. So once a user logged in, we grab the ID token and sends it the authorine header to backend. So next event.js file. So fetch the data display events. This file fetches all events like backend and displays them on the home page dynamically. So next book.js, this fetches the submits the booking request securely using the user's Firebase token. And next my bookings, so show booked events, so display the all booked events for the current user. The backend attaches full the details by joining the event info and booking document. And lastly, and that's all complete. Walk through the event tab and find sign up booking and from backend logic and front end code are provided by the Node.js, Firebase and JavaScript.
Let's look into backend. Our backend is built in Node.js using Express. It connects to Firebase using the admin SDK. We use Firebase authentication to protect routes and Firestore as our NoSQL database. Every time user sign up or login, the token is verified using middleware like Verify ID token. We also have Verify admin for routes only admin should access, like adding events. And when a user look at the events, we use a Firestore transaction to ensure available seats and update and a booking record is created safely and automatically. This prevents our booking and keeps data consistent. And we have created REST APIs like events, bookings, and my bookings, and all of them return clean JSON data used in front end. Finally, our backend is deployed on Frontend and it communicates with the frontend hosted on Vercel using secure APIs. Here we import Express into the backend framework to create the API and HTTP server, and also import the Firebase admin to allow server-side interaction with Firebase, and .env loads environment variables from a .env file, and CORS is used to enable requests from frontend. Here we initialize the Firebase, which loads our service account JSON from the path defined in .env and gives our backend full permission to read and write to Firebase securely.